In this video, we are going to talk about CO2 Lewis structure, that is, how to draw the Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. Also, I will discuss how to find out the valence electron for carbon dioxide, that is CO2 valence electron. Besides, we'll know whether this carbon dioxide molecule has a dipole moment or not. That is it polar or non-polar? After that, we'll talk about the hybridization of CO2 molecule. That is, what is the hybridization of carbon, what is the hybridization of oxygen, and also you will know about the bond angle between oxygen, carbon, and oxygen, right? That is, we'll talk about the molecular shape or geometry of carbon dioxide molecule. Furthermore, we'll also discuss the formal charge of CO2 molecule, that is the formal charge of carbon and oxygen atom in the Lewis structure of CO2. So let us first draw the Lewis structure for CO2 molecule. So look, carbon is an element of group 4s, that is why it has 4 valence electron, and oxygen is an element of group 6a, that is why it has 6 valence electron. But here we have 2 oxygen atom. So basically we have 16 valence electron totally. This 16 valence electron will satisfy the octet for carbon and both oxygen atom, right? So look at here. Carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron. So to fulfill octet, oxygen will take 2 valence electron and oxygen will share 2 valence electron and carbon will share 4. That is, oxygen will form 2 bonds and carbon will form 4 bonds, right? So let us do that. Here oxygen, so oxygen will form 2 bond and carbon will form 4 bonds. So now look, this oxygen has 4 valence electrons, so to fulfill its octet it will take more 4 valence electron, right? Now count, this oxygen has 2 4 6 8 and this oxygen has 2 4 6 8. So oxygen has satisfied its octet and carbon also has 2 4 6 8, that is 8 valence electron, and in this Lewis structure we are getting 16 valence electron totally. If you count, you will get 16 valence electron, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16, right? Look, this is the Lewis structure of CO2 molecule, right? So in this Lewis structure, can you tell me how many sigma bond and pi bond you are getting? Look, in this bond, this is sigma bond and this is pi bond, this is sigma bond and this is pi bond. That is, in carbon dioxide molecule we'll get 2 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. And in carbon dioxide molecule, how many lone pairs you will get? Look, here 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair, 3 lone pair, 4 lone pair. So we'll get 4 lone pair in carbon dioxide Lewis structure, right? So now tell me the hybridization of carbon. This carbon is sp hybridized and this oxygen is sp2. So let me explain these things. Look, when we are going to determine the hybridization, at first we'll ignore the pi bond. That is, we have to consider pi bond as sigma bond. That is, here we have 1 sigma bond, here we have 1 sigma bond. So 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? 2 bond. So 2 electron region. That is why it will be sp hybridized. And look, there is no lone pair, but for this oxygen, this is 1 region and this is 2, this is 3. That is, its steric number or area of electrons is 3. That is why it is sp2, that is 1s and 2p, right? Can you tell me what is the molecular shape of this CO2 molecule, the molecular or geometry shape of CO2 molecule is linear because there is no lone pair over the carbon. That is why it becomes linear, right? So is carbon dioxide linear or bent? The answer is carbon dioxide molecule is a linear molecule because according to valency shell electron pair theory, there is no lone pair over carbon. That is why it is linear. So now you know the hybridization of carbon oxygen, right? And also you know the shape of the carbon dioxide molecule. So look, the bond angle between oxygen, carbon and oxygen, since it is linear, so bond angle will be 180 degree, right? 180 degree. So now I will talk about the formal charge for this molecule, that is the formal charge of oxygen, carbon and oxygen. Look, here you have to follow my tricks carefully so that you can easily determine the formal charge. So look, in a neutral oxygen atom, the valence electron of oxygen is 6, but here we have assigned how many valence electron? 2, 4, and we have to consider half of bonding valence electron. So here we have 4, but we have to consider 2. That is, in neutral oxygen we have 6, but here we have assigned 2, 4, 6, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6. 6 minus 6, that is the result is 0. So this oxygen has 0 formal charge. We know that in a neutral atom of carbon, carbon has 4 valence electron, but here we have assigned 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. In case of determining formal charge, you have to consider half of the bonding valence electron, right? So for this oxygen, the 2, 4, 5, 6, that is in neutral we have 6 and here we have 6, that is 0. The formal charge of oxygen is 0, right? So in CO2 molecule, the formal charge of oxygen is 0, the formal charge of carbon is 0 and the formal charge of oxygen is 0. Actually, since all the atoms in CO2 molecule have 0 formal charge, so this is the best and stable Lewis structure. So if I ask you what is the best Lewis structure for CO2, then you have to draw this structure. So now I will talk about the polarity of CO2 molecule. So look here, the electronegativity of oxygen is greater than carbon. So the dipole moment will, the direction of dipole moment will be like this, right? Since oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. We know that this carbon dioxide molecule is a linear, right? Every bond, carbon or this bond is polar, right? And this bond also polar. So polar bond, usually you may think that since CO2 has polar bond, so it is must be polar, but the actual answer is CO2 molecule is not polar molecule, right? Overall dipole moment, the dipole moment of this bond and this bond cancel each other because of the shape of this molecule, right? That is the net dipole moment of this molecule is 0. That is why CO2 molecule is non-polar molecule, right? Can you tell me how many bonding electrons are in the Lewis structure of CO2? Actually, in CO2 molecule there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bonding pairs, that is 8 bonding electrons, and non-bonding electrons is 4 pairs, right? And so 4 means 8 valence electron, that is non-bonding. So from this video you have learned how to draw the Lewis structure of carbon dioxide, and also you know what is the total valence electron for CO2 molecule, and also you know the hybridization of CO2 molecule, and beside this you know how to determine the formal charge of for CO2 molecule, and also you know whether CO2 is a polar or non-polar. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.